What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. More on the blue truck here today. Third brake light. Got an Anzo third brake light LED. He's looking to get rid of all the halogens on here. This will be the final step. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what we got. There it is, guys. Nice smoke lens, all LED, plug and play. All right, guys, first step here, T20s, 4 T20s, take them off. So right here you have a, you're not gonna need this wire harness. So right here there's a clip, you gotta push this through right here, and then you gotta plug down here, and that's what the Anzo is gonna plug into. So we'll get that out. We got the Anzo clipped up, and then use your stock hardware, put it back on. All right, guys, install is done. This brake light, she looks good. That's it, guys. All right, guys, that's all you need to know about the third brake light. Super easy, plug and play. There she is. Until we meet again later. So this truck we've worked on a couple of times. The grill was done. Morimoto headlights, taillights, third brake light, JLT, oil separator. He's got sweet bumpers on it. Fab 4 bumpers, light bar, fog lights, and he's not done. He's gonna get wheels and tires. Well, he did get wheels and tires. They didn't fit, so he ordered a 6-inch BDS lift on this. Third brake light there. Oh yes, totally forgot one of the most awesome parts here. Amp Research running boards. Huge difference in this truck. If I've got a picture, I'll put it up right here of it before, and you can see it. But this thing just looks amazing. Now, he had the grill color matched, but yeah, I mean, we just did a little wiring change for that middle light too. It got a little corroded, so, but yeah, rigid light bar. This thing is sweet. What do you think?
It's smelly. That's
your sock, not the truck.
I know. The sock is smelly.
Absolutely awesome. Amazing.